Thank you, Mr. Bowles, and thank you to the grade 9 band. Very well, thank you. Okay. Each student will be called up. I'm obviously going to say that. But I'm also going to let you know, until I have finished speaking about the student. And West Island College diploma with great distinction, the certificate of bilingualism, who is a member of the Green and Grey Society, House Council President, member of the Grad Committee, Grant House Captain, valedictorian finalist, winning a subject prize in economics, and also receiving a certificate of distinction from the University of Waterloo for the Fermat Mathematics competition. Michael Adams.